Hello cuties, welcome to our channel. First we saw the recap of last class. What we saw there last class? A house for all. A house for all in a thick green forest stood a lonely wooden house. One day a frog crossed the way. She liked to live in the wooden house. She checked first. Nobody is not inside, so she entered the house with their two babies and with plenty of fruits. A small information about frog is an amphibian animal. That means it's lived in land and water. It's capable to live in land and water. Got it? Next, frog after tortoise entered the house with the permission of frog. They sharing the house. Tortoise entered the house with the baby boy. Now, today. Last class, a little tortoise along with her baby boy lived happily together with the frog family. Now one question is there. How many babies did the tortoise have? How many of you know? Yes, you're right. A baby boy. Only one. One babies have tortoise. Next, today, one day a squirrel walked by. Knock knock. Who lives here? Asked the little squirrel. The frog family said the frog. The tortoise family said the tortoise kindly. Can I live with you? Asked the squirrel. Yes, of course, they said. The squirrel carrying lots of nuts on her shoulder. Here you remember? A frog carry a plenty of fruits. A squirrel carry a lot of nuts on her shoulder walked into the house. One day, a rabbit hopped that way. Seeing the lonely wooden house, she knocked on the door. Knock, knock, anybody here? Asked the little rabbit. A frog, a tortoise, and a squirrel came and answered from inside. Can I join you all? Asked the rabbit in a soft voice. Yes, of course, they all said. Hop, hop, hop. The rabbit hopped with had 5 little babies and plenty of carrots. After the entry of tortoise and frog lived together in a happy way. After that, a squirrel came there. She also noticed the same house. She also have a same idea. What a lovely house is this? Can we live inside? Like that. She checked like frog, tortoise, if anybody is there. Now, two animals are there. What are they? Frog and a tortoise. Frog with their two babies. Tortoise with a one baby boy. Now, squirrel alone. Go. Squirrel go inside with the permission of frog and tortoise. They also share the house with the squirrel. In a happy mood. Yes, of course, they said. Who said? The frog and the tortoise. Squirrel carrying lots of nuts on her shoulder walked into the house. Before, frog could carry lot of fruits and tortoise, they don't get anything else. Squirrel get lot of nuts on her shoulder walked into the house. After that, one day a rabbit hopped that way. Who's that? Rabbit. The first animal is frog. Second animal is tortoise and then squirrel. Now rabbit also have the same idea to live inside. Now how many of them inside? 4 kind of animals living together. Rabbit, knock knock. Anybody here? Asked the little rabbit. Now how many of you answered? Did you guess? Yes, the 3 animals already inside. A frog, tortoise and a squirrel came answer from inside. I am all are inside like that. Did you like to share your things with your friends? Yes, that's a good habit. Sharing is a very good habit. Now, can I join you all? What did you guess? They answered yes or no? Yes, they allowed to leave a rabbit. Yes, of course, they all said with a happy mood. Now rabbit, go inside. Hop, hop, hop. The rabbit hopped with her how many babies? 5 little babies. They have more babies. Frog have two babies, and tortoise have one baby boy. Squirrel have nothing, she alone. Now rabbit have five babies with a plenty of carrots. They all live happily together with a lot of nuts, carrots, and fruits to eat.